Keep your feed calm and collected. Learn how to mute posts on Threads. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to mute posts from someone on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Threads app by tapping on its icon on your device. Scroll through your feed and find the post from someone you want to mute. Once you found the post, tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the post. This menu gives you more options for controlling the post. From the menu, select the mute option. This will mute the specific post and hide it from your feed without notifying the person who posted it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the mute post to confirm your action. The post will disappear from your feed, but you can always revisit their profile if you want to see their content again. So this is how to mute posts from someone on Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.